Capitalism is an economic system where individuals and companies own things to make money. In capitalism, goods and services are traded in markets, and prices are determined by supply and demand. This system encourages innovation through competition. However, critics argue that it leads to inequality, where the rich get richer and the poor struggle. Understanding capitalism is crucial because it affects many aspects of our lives, from the job market to the prices of goods. This video will explain the history, principles and effects of capitalism. It will also compare it with other economic systems. Capitalism's origins can be traced back to the Middle Ages, where it evolved from feudalism. During that time, societies relied heavily on agriculture. Trade flourished, laying the foundation for capitalism. Towns began to grow and became important trading centres. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th century transformed production and saw the rise of economists like Adam Smith. Smith introduced new ideas about free markets. Smith's idea of the invisible hand suggested that individuals pursuing profit benefit society. This idea was central to the development of economic thought. By the 19th century, capitalism had spread throughout Europe and North America. Factories and technological innovations became an integral part of daily life. New technologies and business practices emerged, making capitalism the dominant economic system worldwide. Global trade expanded like never before. Each country adapts capitalism to its unique needs, but its core principles remain the same. Today, we see the influence of capitalism in every aspect of our lives. Private ownership is a fundamental principle of capitalism, where individuals or companies own resources and businesses. This contrasts with socialist systems where the government controls most resources. Private ownership encourages entrepreneurship and competition, benefiting consumers with better products and lower prices. However, it can also lead to monopolies, which reduce competition and harm consumers. Overall, private ownership drives innovation and economic growth, but comes with risks that need to be managed. The profit motive is central to capitalism, driving companies to make money by selling goods and services for more than their production costs. This encourages efficiency and product improvement, leading to innovation and technological advancement. Companies that fail to make a profit may go bankrupt, creating a natural selection process in the market. However, the profit motive can lead to ethical concerns, such as worker exploitation or environmental damage. Therefore, regulations are essential to ensure responsible business practices and protect society. Despite its drawbacks, the profit motive drives economic activity, benefiting consumers and the overall economy, fostering growth and prosperity. Competition is fundamental to capitalism, with companies vying for customers by improving quality and lowering prices. This benefits consumers and drives innovation. For example, competition in the technology industry has led to rapid advancements in smartphones and computers. However, competition can also lead to unethical practices, requiring regulations to protect consumers. Overall, competition drives economic growth and innovation, but requires oversight to prevent unethical behavior. The United States is an example of a capitalist economy where private ownership drives innovation and growth significantly. Japan, with its mixed economy, leans heavily towards capitalism, known for its technological advancements. Germany balances free markets with social welfare, providing social benefits like healthcare and education. These examples show how capitalism adapts to different needs, but the core principles of private ownership, the profit motive, and competition remain. Capitalism and socialism are two distinct economic systems. In capitalism, individuals and companies own businesses, while in socialism, the government controls most businesses. Capitalism relies on market forces to allocate resources, leading to competition and innovation. Socialism aims to reduce inequality by providing social benefits, like healthcare and education. However, it can lead to inefficiency and lower quality due to less competition. Both systems have pros and cons, and the choice depends on a society's values and priorities. Communism differs significantly from capitalism, with collective ownership and government control of the economy. The goal is a classless society with equal living standards. In capitalism, the profit motive drives innovation and efficiency, while communism focuses on meeting society's needs. However, communism often struggles with inefficiency and corruption. Both systems have strengths and weaknesses, offering different approaches to managing the economy and society. Capitalism offers several advantages, including economic efficiency and innovation. The profit motive drives companies to reduce costs and improve products, benefiting consumers with more choices and lower prices. Capitalism also promotes individual freedom and entrepreneurship, driving economic growth and job creation. However, it can lead to inequality and environmental damage, requiring regulation to address these issues. Despite its advantages, capitalism faces several criticisms, such as income inequality and environmental damage. Wealth is often distributed unevenly, leading to social unrest and instability. Companies may harm the environment to maximize profits, causing long-term damage to the ecosystem. Capitalism can also lead to monopolies, which reduce competition and harm consumers by raising prices. Job insecurity is another issue, as companies lay off workers to cut costs and increase profits. Despite these criticisms, capitalism remains dominant globally, but it requires regulation and appropriate policies to address these issues effectively. Capitalism is evolving with trends like technology and globalization. E-commerce and global markets are changing how businesses operate. Sustainability is becoming more important, with consumers favoring environmentally friendly companies. The future of capitalism will likely see more regulation to address inequality and environmental damage. However, the core principles of private ownership, the profit motive, and competition will remain, ensuring capitalism's resilience and adaptability.